Today, I want to talk to you about some practical steps that can help you increase your income immediately. Let's get to work. So go ahead, tap in, let's get into it. Increasing your income is 100% important in today's economy because shrinkflation and inflation aren't anybody's friend. I often talk a lot of times about financial tips that can help you where you are, but I also know that it is imperative that you increase your income also at the same time. So I want to help you with that. So let's go ahead and hop into the first tip. The first tip that I want to talk to you about today is asking for a raise. In today's job market, positions oftentimes aren't being paid the same across the board. And so, what you need to do is to go and compare your current job position with other companies to see if your job position is getting paid the same as that one. And you can research these job positions and salaries online. And so, once you find out that you're not being paid the market standard for the current position that you hold, it may be time or it is time for you to go and ask for a raise to be brought up to the market standard. Okay. So, a real simple way that you can start making more money today is just by simply understanding the position that you hold and what that current value of that job currently holds. Because once you find that information out, you can bring yourself up to the market standard by simply asking for a raise. Now, I know this doesn't work for every job and at every company. So, what I would like for you to do is pay close attention to the other tip that I'm going to talk about today and future tips that I'm going to bring in other videos so that you can start applying that so that you can start making more money immediately. What do you think about the first tip that was mentioned today? Have you even thought about asking for a raise? Do you think you're even qualified to ask for a raise? You absolutely are. Because if your job isn't paying you currently what it's supposed to be paying you, you can easily go to your manager or supervisor or whoever is ahead above you and ask for their raise or simply inquire and see why you're not being paid that market standard. All right. And so, what do you think about that? Are you fearful of doing that? I'd like to know your thoughts down in the comment section. We like to talk through that process so that you can start making more money today. All right. And while you're down in the comments, why don't you go ahead and hit that like button? Go ahead and start sharing. Go ahead and subscribe or follow. And if you don't mind, go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you can be alerted every single time we drop a new video. We appreciate you guys' engagement in advance. Now, let me give you another tip so that you can start making some more money today. The second tip I want to talk to you about today is turning your passions into cash. What does that mean? All of us have things that we like to do, but sometimes we just don't know if we should be monetizing it or even if we want to be put out there. So let me just encourage you real quick. Again, we all have things that we like to do. And so I want you to start considering figuring out ways on how you can monetize doing things that you really like to do in your spare time. Also, there could be another hurdle of you just being comfortable about you putting yourself out there for that kind of service or whatever it may be. Oftentimes it's just getting over that hurdle of putting yourself out there and getting started and actually figuring out that people will actually pay for the thing that you like to do in the first place. And this is what I like talking to people about because a lot of times what we like to do in our spare time can actually be making us money and we don't have to continue to do it for free. Let me give you a quick example. If you like fixing on things, everybody lives in a place where things sometimes needs to be fixed. And so if you like doing those kinds of things, why don't you just start charging nominal fees? And as you get better and better, or if you're already real good at it, charge a good price to go and fix those things. And you can start turning the things that you like to do in your spare time at your own home or at your or dealing with your own car, whatever fixing thing that you do, whatever you like doing in your spare time, just start turning that into cash so that you can start making more money doing things that you're already going to be doing anyway in your spare time. Also, be comfortable with putting yourself out there. Start being confident in the things that you do because you're confident when you do it for yourself. Why don't you become confident when you do it for others? And so, if you can get over that hurdle of understanding how to monetize it and getting over the hurdle of marketing yourself to let people know that this is an expertise or this is something that you are very good in, if you can get over those hurdles, excuse me, I'm telling you, you can start making more money immediately, and it'll actually be shocking to you how much money you can actually make by turning your passions into profits. All right. So start thinking about ways of and things that you like doing that you can start making money on in your spare time so that you can start making more money today. So, what do you think about the tips that we shared today? Do you think that they were helpful? I'd like to know your thoughts down in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Are you getting comfortable or are you starting to think about asking for a raise now? Have you started letting your mind churn and start thinking about how you can turn your passions into profit? Let's talk about it down in the comment section. Also, if you would like to get personalized coaching concerning the things that we talked about so that you can help be guided in the direction where you think you need to be going, I'd like for you to check the links in the comments and check the links in the description for my coaching call, How to Make $10,000 a Month Minimum. All right. Because I will help guide you and turn those passions into profits and help you get little ideas like asking for a raise, among other things. We'll start diving into your individual circumstances and situations so that you can start finding the gold in your life that you may not have known was already there. All right. So check the links in the comments and check the links in the description for the coaching call, How to Make $10,000 a Month. Go ahead and sign up so that we can get you on your way to making more money. All right. I appreciate you guys so much for checking out this video today. I appreciate you guys engaging with this video and watching it all the way to the end. And I'll see y'all in the next video.
Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content. Peace.